Hey guys, welcome back to another motivational video. In today's video, I will be decluttering and organizing my garage. As you can see, my garage is a complete mess. It looks very overwhelming to declutter and organize. Guys, it can be very overwhelming. But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a process that you can use to minimize that overwhelming feeling. And once you follow a process, honestly, it makes things so much easier, and it makes you feel more confident in getting your garage clean. So hanging in there, I got you guys on this one. Just watch and see how I do this process. So here I started to remove everything from the garage, and the best thing to do, guys, is to remove everything so you can see what you have and reassess what you have and where you want to put things back. And also what I did as I pull things out, I put them in sort them in two separate piles, things that we're getting rid of and things that we're keeping. Guys, it's best to do a project like this with someone else's help. I had my husband with me on this project because those shelves were way too high and a lot of those things were too heavy for me to handle on my own. I want to give a shout out to my new subscribers and also to my subscribers who have been around since the beginning of me starting this channel. Guys, I would not have made it to 100 subscribers without you all. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your compliment, your positive comments on my videos. Guys, it's been very motivating. It makes me really excited in creating these videos. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Mulaney, and I'm a wife and a mother of a 10 and 6-year-old. And my content is based on motivational cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, and a lot more. So if you like contents like this, please subscribe so you can see my future uploads. So here you can see the two piles that we made. One side, the left side is things that we are donating and a few things that we're selling. And on the right side is things that we're keeping. So what I'm going to do next is go through my keep pile and sort those and see how I want to organize them. Guys, you will see my husband loading the donating pile in our truck. It's the best thing to do is to get those out the same day that you are cleaning and organizing your garage, because you don't want to pull those back inside the garage. So here guys, I am doing some sorting and categorizing some things. So I'll show you guys how I am getting through all of this. Here, this section is piles of my holiday stuff. These are all Christmas things, and over here is like my summer, some of my summer decors that I have in bins here, and I'm gonna label them so I can find them on my shelf. And then over here, it's just some reusable bags that I put in this pile. And then over here, I have our cooler that we use whenever we go out to the parks or a picnic or something. And then over here is just papers and stuff that I through on a later time to see what we're recycling and shred and all of that good stuff. So guys, these are all the luggages that I have over here that's gonna go in one section by itself. And then our bikes, we're gonna hang those up on our hooks in our garage, and I'll show you guys how we do that. This is something we do every year towards the end of the summer, entering into fall, winter, when we're not using them as often. We put those up on the hooks. And then what else? And what else did I categorize? Oh yeah, over here is all some of our camping stuff. Those are some of our camping things here that we use. So that's that. And what else do I have there? My husband already started to put a container up there, which I need to start labeling. So the next thing I'm gonna do is get some of these container, these things, the tops back on, and get some labels on them before we put them back on the shelf. And then I will deal with the other side of the garage. We're getting through. It's just this side just needs some tidying up. There's some type of organizing going on over there. It's just for me to just get some things back in order. So you can see like all the kids' balls and things already hanged up on the hooks that we use for cleaning and maintenance and stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, these things just need to be tidied up on this side. They're not as many work as what we've been doing on this shelf. So let me get on to some labeling, and my husband start putting the things back up on these shelves. So here I am labeling all the bins to prepare them to put them back on the shelves. So what I use is a shipping label, and a black Sharpie. Guys, I keep it really simple, nothing fancy, but all I did was just write whatever that is in that container. Now we are on to getting the other side done. It was very simple, just getting things back in place and sweeping that area. And of course, my husband came to steal the show with that huge carrot we just pulled out of our garden. This is the hilarious side of my husband. Here is the finishing product of decluttering and organizing my garage. Guys, I was so happy and pleased with it. It felt so good to get this garage back in shape. And as you can see, all the labels on my bins, so I can see where I have all my things, and all our paint and extra things are on the back wall. And on the other side, you can see that we hang up our bikes on that hooks. My husband put those up a couple of years ago, but that's where we hang our bikes. The best thing to do, guys, is to hang as much things that you can hang in your garage to create more space in there and for it to look less clutter on the ground. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I appreciate you guys' support once more, and if you have not yet subscribe to this channel, please do so you can see my future uploads, guys. And I really hope this video gave you guys some inspiration to declutter and organize your garage or anywhere else in your home. Thank you for watching, and we will talk in my next video. Bye.